In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your IP address from known trackers in Mail and Safari web browser on an iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Settings. Then tap right here to get into Wi-Fi settings. Towards the top of the screen, it is showing the current Wi-Fi network to which I connected to. And then all we have to do now is tap at that I button. And basically, if we scroll down a bit, we can easily find the option which is called Limit IP Address Tracking. If this option is turned on, it will limit IP address tracking by hiding your IP address from known trackers in Mail and Safari. And basically, guys, all you have to do is just make sure that this option, this toggle button, turned on. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.